If your Samsung top-load washer is not heating water, filling with the wrong water temperature, showing error codes, or failing to complete its cycles, the thermistor might be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll be guiding you through how to test and replace this crucial part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our tools for today's repair. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top-load washer by unplugging it or turning the breaker off. Before anything, it is a good step to check the water supply hoses and make sure they have not been installed in reverse. If they have, grab a pair of pliers and switch the hoses around. If the hoses are good, shut the water supply off, disconnect the hoses, and tilt the washer back. I'm setting the washer on its back so that you can see what I'm doing. Locate the tub thermistor connection and disconnect the wires from the main harness. Grab your multimeter and set it to resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Testing the wires to the thermistor, we should see resistance of around 47 k ohms or 47,000 ohms. If the resistance is not close to this, like we see here, the thermistor would need to be replaced. If the thermistor resistance tests good, something else is causing your washer to not have proper water temperature. Remove the screws securing the thermistor to the tub and pull the thermistor out. Here's the old thermistor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the thermistor and secure it with the screws. Connect the wires and secure them with a retainer. Set the washer upright, connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job getting your Samsung top-load washer back on track with the new thermistor. We'd love to hear how your repair turned out, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you still need to get your hands on a new thermistor, remember, you can easily find it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Just have your model number ready and most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to assisting you with your next project.